Hi guys, welcome to How to Techie. In this video I will tell you one story, so let's begin. One day I was searching a value for money NVMe SSD. Then I find one of the best NVMe SSD, which is SN550, and it has the capacity of 500 GB, but I don't have that much money to purchase that, so I decided to go with the trick to get my SSD without money, then see what happened. Here's my SN550 NVMe SSD, so let's do the unboxing. Let's break the seal first. In box we get our SSD and some papers which are useless. As we can see, our SSD is fully packed in a plastic box. Let's put it off our SSD from the box. Finally, I got my SSD in my hand. So, let's talk about some features and specifications. It's have the 96-layer SanDisk 3D NAND flash memory, which is based on TLC memory system, and it's have the SLC cache. If we talk about memory controller, then it's have the SanDisk memory controller, which is DRAM-less, and it's connect PCI Express 3.0 with 4 lanes of connectivity, and it's have the read and write speed of 2400 MB per second and 1750 MB per second. Now, I will show you how to install NVMe SSD in m.2 slot without any problem. First, hold it like this, and place it into m.2 slot with 30-degree angle, then push it gently, you get a sound like this. After that, take your m.2 slot screw and tighten it with screwdriver very gently, don't tighten it very hard. After that, restart your PC and press the delete key to boot into BIOS mode. To know your BIOS key, search your laptop or PC name on Google. Then, go to the BIOS option, and check the boot option priorities. In option 1 you should have select the Windows Boot Manager. Then go to Peripherals, and check the NVMe configuration. In this you see your NVMe SSD model number. Then go back, and go to Chipset. You should disable the NVMe RAID mode. After that, go to Save and Exit option, and click on the Save and Exit Setup, then click Yes. Now, your PC will boot into Windows. Now open Disk Management setting. To open that, search Disk Management in search bar. Then open it. And select GPT partition style, then click OK. As you can see, it's show unallocated space. To make it basic data partition, right-click on this drive and select New Simple Volume, then you will get the Simple Volume wizard, so click Next. After that, don't do anything, just click Next. And lastly, click Finish. Now, it's converted into basic data partition. In next video I will show the performance of this SSD and Windows installation process. Subscribe to my channel to get notification of next video.